Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Bitbucket login problems, workspace and access errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the correct Bitbucket URL and choose Bitbucket Cloud at bitbucket.org instead of a self-hosted server link. Next, check your internet connection and try opening Bitbucket in an incognito or private browser window. Then, clear your browser cache and cookies for bitbucket.org and restart the browser completely. After that, disable browser extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, or password managers temporarily and test login again. Now, verify your system date and time are correct because incorrect time can break secure sign-in sessions. Next, try a different browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge to rule out browser-specific issues. Then, if you sign in with Atlassian, click Login with Atlassian account and make sure you are using the right email address. After that, reset your Atlassian password using the Can't Log In or Forgot Password option and complete the email verification. Next, check your email inbox and spam folder for Atlassian verification or security alerts and approve any required confirmation. Then, if you use SSO for your company, confirm your identity provider login works and you are on the correct organization tenant. Next, ask your admin to confirm your SSO account is active and assigned to the correct Atlassian organization. Then, if you see a Workspace not found message, confirm you are opening the correct workspace you are. Next, in Bitbucket, click your profile menu and switch workspaces to ensure you are not in the wrong workspace context. Then, if you cannot see a workspace you used before, confirm you are logged into the same Atlassian account that originally had access. Next, ask a workspace admin to check whether you were removed from the workspace or your access level was changed. Then, have the admin resend your workspace invitation and ensure you accept it while logged into the correct account. Next, if you get access denied to a repository, ask the admin to verify your group permissions and repository access settings. Then, confirm you are not trying to access a private repo through an old bookmarked link from a different workspace. Next, if you use HTTPS GET access, re-enter your credentials using an app password instead of your normal. Then, create an app password in Atlassian account settings, enable the needed scopes, and store it securely. Next, update your Git credential manager on your computer and remove old saved Bitbucket credentials. Then, on Windows, delete outdated entries from Credential Manager, and on macOS, remove them from Keychain Access. Next, if you use SSH, verify your SSH key is added to your Bitbucket account and the public key matches your local private key. Then, test SSH with an SSH test command and ensure your firewall or corporate proxy is not blocking port access. Next, check Bitbucket status pages for ongoing incidents that can cause login or workspace loading failures. Then, if you are on a restricted network, try another network or VPN to bypass DNS or proxy issues. Next, contact your workspace admin to confirm there are no IP allow lists, access policies, or security rules blocking your login. Finally, if the issue continues, open an Atlassian support ticket with screenshots, error text, and the exact time it happened. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.